Welcome to the Miyagi course. In today's lesson, we'll explore how to make better requests with prompting. Let's dive in. Prompting is a new form of communication. Although it seems similar to English or your native language, it is distinct and akin to learning creative writing. Most of us struggle with making direct requests. We've learned to be diplomatic and indirect, to be socially acceptable. For example, instead of saying, "Write a list of 10 steps to complete this project," we might say, "Would it be okay for me to ask you to maybe make an outline of what you see for the vision and how we might accomplish this project?" Stress is a silent killer and an obstacle to success. Let's use prompting to reduce stress. First, let's start with, explain what stress is and how it affects the body and mind. Next, list 3 ways to manage my stress when I'm experiencing a conflict with my teammates. Then, create a stress management plan that includes daily meditation. Remember, the 2 most important takeaways are to be clear and direct and to start your prompts with a verb. For example, instead of asking, "Can you make me a list?" directly say, "List." Additionally, always use proverbs such as explain what stress is, list 3 ways, define, and create. AI generates results instantly and provides varied answers each time, learning and improving with each prompt. Now practice these prompts and see how clarity and directness can make your requests more effective. Did you know that over 74% of our viewers come back regularly but haven't yet subscribed? If my content has ever given you a helpful tip or a moment of joy, please hit that subscribe button. It's a small action that makes a big difference. With your support, I can bring even more exciting guests and create even better videos for you. Sounds like a deal? Subscribe now, and let's continue this journey together in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Don't forget to check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which I update regularly to keep you informed with the latest tips.